OnePlus has started rolling out stable update of Android Pie, which is 9.0.2. So let's see that what are the changes, and I'm going to show you the benchmark score after updating it to 9.0.2. So hi friends, welcome to All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. So there are a lot of UI changes. You will get a new quick settings panel, new volume panel, new recents panel, and many more. Now in About section, you can actually find all the information about the phone. So the Android security patch level is of 1st April 2019. And this is the animation of Android Pie. This is the changelog of Android Pie, and as you can see, you will get updated system of Android Pie, a brand new UI for Android Pie, and updated security patch level of April 2019. Now in Do Not Disturb mode, you can actually customize the time range. Also you will get new gaming mode 3.0, in which there is support for displaying text content of the head-up notifications. Also they have added notification for third-party calls. Also in phone dialer there is support for Google Duo, and in camera you will get Google Lens. So I'm going to show you all these things. In utilities there is gaming mode. As you can see, all these options are available. How to show notifications, then notifications for third-party calls, lock buttons, disable automatic brightness. Now in how to show notifications, there is option for heads up, text only, and block. This is the battery saver option. In Do Not Disturb mode, you can actually customize the time range, and as you can see, all these options are available. This is the option of Google Duo. Now let's check the camera app. So there is no change in the camera quality, but now there is support for Google Lens. Okay, now finally we are going to check that what is the benchmark score. So the Antutu benchmark score is 1,53,650. When this phone was running on Android Pie 9.0.1 Community Beta Update 2, benchmark score was 1,35,000, but now the benchmark score is 1,53,650. So guys, this much only in this video. Hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Also follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is AAT_121. Subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.